An incident of appalling cruelty in Madhya Pradesh has taken place following the central and state government's order to enforce safety measures for COVID 19. A man in Indore was severely beaten up by two policemen allegedly for his failure to wear a mask properly. The mask of Krishna Kayer, a 35-year-old auto rickshaw driver, had slipped down off his nose when he was on his way to meet his ailing father in a hospital. Noticing this, two policemen caught him on the road and demanded that he come to the police station. When he refused, they started beating him up. A cell phone video taken by a bystander shows them kicking and punching the man mercilessly as he lay on the ground, vainly trying to shield himself. His young son, who was accompanying him, kept screaming for help. The assault took place in the middle of the road in a broad daylight, but while the bystanders stopped and clicked photos, no one came to help him. Though the policemen Kamal Prajapat and Dharmendra Jat were identified, no action was taken, but only after the video was circulated widely, they were suspended and sent to the police lines. Over the last week, there have been several reports of policemen in the part of country handing out corporal punishment on the roads when the people were found without a mask. Videos circulated on WhatsApp showed that they were penalized even when they had stopped to eat or drink. On March 30th, the Health Ministry had said that the states are being told to enforce COVID appropriate behavior, which is use the law, use fine, people need to wear a mask.
देखिए इसमें जैसा कि जिस स्थिति में आज इंदौर में कोरोना स्प्रेड हो रहा है और अस्पतालों की स्थिति है, तो लोगों को मास्क पहनने के लिए लगातार इंसिस्ट किया जा रहा है। इवन कि जो लोग मास्क नहीं पहन रहे हैं उन पे स्पॉट फाइन और उन पे 151 की कार्रवाई भी की जा रही है। इसी को रखते हुए पुलिस जो है परदेसीपुरा की पुलिस जो है इसमें कर रही थी रोको टोको अभियान के तहत, और इसमें जो एक आदमी है ये आपराधिक प्रवृत्ति का है। इसके जो है 2 मामले इस पे कायम है, एक तो चाकूबाजी का और दूसरा जो है अवैध वसूली का। इसके अलावा ये स्मैक पीने का आदी है। जब पुलिस ने इसको रोका तो इसने पुलिस वालों के साथ हुज्जत करी, उनके साथ मारपीट करने की कोशिश करी, तो फिर ये घटना हुई। जिसने भी वीडियो बनाया उसका प्रथम पार्ट इसने काट दिया और दूसरा पार्ट जो है इसको वायरल कर रहे हैं ताकि पुलिस की छवि नेगेटिव रूप से जनता के सामने जाए। हालांकि ये कहीं से भी उचित नहीं है कि कोई भी पुलिसकर्मी जो है आम जनता के साथ में इस तरह का बर्ताव करे, तो भी इसलिए इनको सस्पेंड करके और एसपी ऑफिस अटैच किया गया है और इसमें जो सीएसपी परदेसीपुरा है इनको प्राथमिक जांच सौंपी गई है। जो भी जांच में तथ्य आएंगे उसके अनुसार विधि अनुरूप कार्रवाई की जाएगी। देखिए ये तो एक टेंडेंसी है, यदि वो गलत वीडियो वायरल कर रहे हैं तो इसका एक ही उपचार है कि हम जो है उसका सही तरीके से तथ्यात्मक रूप से उसका खंडन करें, और यही एक आई थिंक यही एक सबसे असरदार और कारगर तरीका है। बाकी यदि कोई अनावश्यक रूप से परेशान करने के लिए करता है तो फिर निश्चित तौर पे उसका फिर अलग ही जो कानून सम्मत कार्रवाई है उस पर होनी चाहिए।
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.